Hello, Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Sag, pauna mensahe ninyo passion. Wow, you're very passionate around this time. Sagittarius, maybe this is you expressing your passion sa inyong person, sa inyong relationship, or maybe this is what you really love to do. Maybe you are going to do whatever it is that you really love doing, no? So, maaaring nandiyan dyan, no? Sa ang passion ninyo, maybe kakanta kayo, sumasayaw kayo, maybe yun ang mga passion ninyo, or maybe nagka-crafts kayo, maaaring ganun. So, depende sa inyong sitwasyon that it feels like there is an opportunity for you na gawin ang mga bagay na yan, no? Na ma-express ninyo kung ano ang passion ninyo. We have dreams. Ayan, pay attention to your dreams as well, no? Sagittarius, kasi maaring may mga panaginip kayo na binibigay sa inyo, pinapadala sa inyo sa ngayon ang universe, at yung mga nilalaman ng inyong panaginip is siguro mga ano ninyo yan, mga impormasyon na makakatulong sa inyong sitwasyon. Maybe also, kailangan ninyo ng gabay sa ngayon, kaya pinapadalhan kayo ng mga impormasyon, no, that will inspire you or motivate you or help you in your situation at this time through your dreams, no? Or maybe, siguro, nagdadasal kayo, nabigyan kayo ng signs, bigyan kayo ng clarity, no? At maaaring ang sagot ng universe sa inyo dyan is yung mga impormasyon, no, na nilalaman ng inyong panaginip. Kaya, importante, no, Sag, na kung meron kayong panaginip, no, pagkagising ninyo, write them down on paper, okay? At isulat ninyo yan, i-google ninyo, i-research ninyo, even dito sa Google, sa YouTube, marami yung mga magiging reference ninyo para hanapin ninyo yung ibig sabihin ng mga elemento ng inyong panaginip. So, psychic abilities, no, are on point. So, napakaganda nito. So, looks like, Sagittarius, ano, napipick up ko dito sa dalawang ito. Siguro nagdadasal talaga kayo for guidance, no? Maybe you are asking for a clear direction of where you are heading right now. Kaya through psychic abilities and through your dreams, no, all out ang support sa inyo ng universe. Binibigyan kayo dito ng mga impormasyon na makakatulong sa inyong sitwasyon. So, pay attention to your intuitive messages, no, kasi maaring pinapadalhan kayo ng universe, no, ng mensahe through your intuition or probably vision, no? Siguro meron pinapakita sa inyong mind's eye ang universe, no, ng exact siguro na mga sitwasyon na maaaring mangyari sa inyo or maaaring yun ang magaganap, no, sa buhay ninyo in a certain period of time. Or maybe something na dapat na mag-pay attention to kayo, no? We have family. Yan. So, maybe this is your, your focus sa ngayon, no? Yung pamilya ninyo. Maybe, this is your immediate family. Kung may sarili na kayong pamilya, may anak na kayo, may asawa na kayo, yung ganon. Or, this could be your family, no? Na, with your siblings, with your parents, maaaring ganon. So, maybe you are taking care, no, of your family at this time, no? Siguro extra hands-on kayo ngayon sa pag-aasikaso sa mga yan. For others of you, this could be you building your own family, no? So, maaaring nagsisimula pa lang kayong magbuo ng inyong pamilya. Siguro bagong kasal kayo, or siguro bago pa lang kayong magsama ng inyong partner, ng inyong asawa, no? So, and maybe you are building your own family right now. What else? We have blessings. Napakaganda. Maraming biyaya ang paparating sa inyo at this time, Sagittarius. That could be in any area of life, no? Depende sa inyong sitwasyon. Baka yung blessings na yan, golden opportunities, no? Related sa inyong trabaho, travel, pera, maaaring ganun. Or it could be anything talaga sa buhay ninyo. Maaaring this is a new friend, no? A very thoughtful friend, a very loving friend, maaring yan ang ibe-bless sa inyo dito, or isang masayang pamilya. Marami, no? Marami ang pwedeng ibigay sa inyo ng universe sa ngayon. So, depende sa inyong sitwasyon. But definitely, you are blessed, no? We have home. Ayan. So, related yan. For sure, dito sa family. Maybe you are coming home to a new place. Baka meron na kayong ibang bahay na uuwian sa ngayon, 'di ba? Kasi magbubuo na kayo ng pamilya, maaaring nag-build kayo ng sarili ninyong bahay or bumili kayo ng sariling bahay at maglilipat bahay na kayo sa ngayon. Pero possible din na magre-relocate ang iba sa inyo dito. Possible din na nagre-renovate ng bahay ang iba sa inyo, or maybe shopping, no? Maybe nagsha-shopping kayo ng bahay at this time. So, what else for Sag? Angel number 666, ayan, reflect. Okay, so you may need to do some kind of reflection at this time. There's love, affection, compassion, kindness, attention, and self-love na maaaring yun ang inyong aanhin ngayon, mararamdaman, no? Sabi dito, several unexpected developments will enter your life and impact how you feel. This is a chance to re-evaluate your identity. So you need a mental shift toward greater optimism, self-assurance, and trust. Put your faith in your gut and inner voice. Pay attention to your feelings and use them to help you become a better person. So, what else? We have angel number 333. Ayan, support. Sa lahat ng mga kaganapan sa buhay ninyo dito, napakaganda kasi meron kayong support na nakukuha, no, from the people around you, no? You are up for growth ngayon, you're up for expansion, and maybe you have that supportive energy surrounding you para marating ninyo ang growth na yan. Maybe you're also going to express your creativity sa ngayon. You will be feeling joyful sa ngayon. Maybe you have that very supportive and helpful community around you. Maybe may vision talaga kayo, no? Sa ngayon, maybe ganun ang sitwasyon dyan. And talents, no? Maybe gagamitin ninyo yung talents ninyo para dyan sa kung ano man ang gusto ninyong gawin sa ngayon. Seeing the angel number 333 is a sign that it's time to focus inward, work on your skills, discover your talents, and use your imagination. Unleash your inner artist, no? So, parang yung creativity ninyo sa ngayon, yung talents ninyo, maaaring that will be highlighted talaga at this time. Doing so will boost your self-esteem and sense of competence. So, it does wonders for your sense of purpose and contributes to your community. So, good luck, Sag, and that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.